Hello, and welcome back to Maker Mondays. My name is Abby, and today we will be walking through the March 2026 Adult Grab and Go Craft Kit, which is Bunny Planters. This kit comes with just about everything you'll need. The only thing you'll need to supply yourself is scissors and a pencil. The first thing that you'll need to do is grab your glue and then remove the inner seal. It is on there pretty tight to make sure the glue doesn't dry out, so you might need something to kind of help you get under there, but for the most part your nails should be okay. I ended up using a label peeler to kind of help me out a little bit. You can go ahead and throw that seal away and then screw the tip back onto the glue. Now, in addition to your glue, you're going to want to pull out your pot and flowers that come in the kit. I liked to place the flowers in first to kind of see where I wanted them to go, and then I glued them down. You're going to glue them down by putting a ring of glue all around the lip of the pot so that we can glue in the bunny body in a minute too. Once you're happy with the placement of your flowers, you can go ahead and grab that foam ball and put it into the top of the pot. This is going to be the body of the bunny. You'll then want to put a little bit more glue in there just to make sure it's extra secure. Once the body's in there, you can go ahead and glue on the tail so that it's sticking up. I ended up putting mine up a little too high. I would recommend it being a little bit closer to the pot. Next, it's time to make the feet. So you're going to grab the white felt that comes in the kit along with your pen or pencil that you've supplied, and you're going to draw the outline of the feet. This is something you'll just have to freehand, but you can always try again and again until you're happy with the result. Once you're happy with the drawing, it's time to go ahead and cut those out. Now with the pink felt, you're going to make the rabbit's little toe beans. So you're going to draw at least 6 little circles on the pink that will be small enough to put onto the white feet that you've cut out. I recommend cutting out more than 6 so that you have some different sizes to play with, because sometimes it can be hard to cut such a small circle. Once those are all cut out, glue them onto the wider end of your little feet there to make the little toe beans for the bunny. Since these circles are really small, I recommend using either the point of your writing utensil or a needle or something else small just to push them into the just right spot you want them in. Once the feet are dry, you can go ahead and glue them to either side of the bunny tail. I did not wait for my feet to dry, and you'll see I struggle with keeping the toe beans in place, so definitely wait for them to dry completely. And once those are dry, you are ready to welcome spring with your adorable bunny planter. Perfect to decorate any windowsill. An optional bonus thing is that you can decorate the pot however you'd like. I ended up painting mine a little bit just to give it a little personal flair. And there's my finished product. I can't wait to see what you guys make, and I'll see you next week.